Two. Oh my God! You break on contact, like instant contact. But they. See? No, I can't see. So it is post Hurricane Milton here at Fort Lauderdale Beach, and I just witnessed the water actually go underneath the lifeguard tower. That's crazy. Look at the traffic cone, it's buried. So this right here is supposed to be out there somewhere. I'm bored, so I'm here at the beach. Oh, I can hear my echo in my headphones with my whole get-up. Getting videos of airplanes, boats, birds, maybe even the cruise ship or cargo ship that comes through. This is the main canal here.
I also brought my telescope. Here are some shots from the telescope. Now I combined all the videos I took with a slightly shortened version at my other channel, link in the bio. If you are really bored and want to watch the whole thing, bunch of planes, bunch of boats, bunch of birds, but here are the highlights. That is a beautiful road.
not sure what people are thinking when they see this. It's like I work for the sheriff's department. Alright, we got a lot to unpack here. There's a public access point to where I was just doing the videos, but I can't figure out where to park there, so I parked as far down this public parking lot that I usually park at as possible and walked all the way there. I was sweating bullets by the time I got there, and I just got back and had a little heart attack as I approached my car. Saw that thing in the windshield, but fortunately, it's just a jet ski promotion. Ironic, isn't it? In the meantime, you see that big bus behind me and all those vans? There's something going on the beach back there. I walked by them. It's not a film set. It looked like it was a photo shoot of some sorts. There's one model and like 20 crew members. I don't know what that's all about. It must be someone really important, I guess. I don't know. I want to do this video thing again, but I've got to find a closer parking spot. This is killing me. Look who's chilling out by my motorcycle. It's a basilisk, aka the Jesus lizard. Or maybe you're just a really small iguana. I don't know. I'm leaning more towards basilisk. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, look at those big feet in the back. So you can walk on water. Hi. You look like a grumpy old man.